Introducing IGF goat feeders, it's designed for efficient feeding, minimum wastage, and maximum convenience. Available in 8 feet, 4 feet, and 2 feet sizes, these feeders are perfect for farms of every scale. Built with strong materials and practical design, they help maintain hygiene, reduce feed loss, and allow goats to eat comfortably. The smooth finish and durable structure make daily farm management easier and more efficient, because when feeding becomes smarter, animal health improves, and farm productivity increases. But proper feeding alone is not enough. For healthy livestock, the flooring beneath them matters just as much. IGF goat pallets are specially designed to provide a clean, dry, and comfortable surface for goats. Available in 2 by 2 feet size with strong 70 millimeter thickness, these pallets offer durability and long-lasting performance. Their elevated design improves cleanliness, supports better hygiene, and helps reduce disease risks inside the farm. Strong flooring creates a healthier environment for animals, and behind every strong product, there's powerful manufacturing technology. At IGF, precision begins with advanced cutting technology. Our cutting machines are designed to deliver accurate, clean, and efficient cuts for every farm equipment component, from feeder frames to pallet structures to shed materials. Every piece is cut with consistency and perfection. This high-precision process reduces material wastage, improves production speed, and ensures stronger final products. The machines operate with accuracy that manual work simply cannot match, allowing us to maintain quality in every single product we manufacture. Because in modern farming infrastructure, precision is everything. And once the materials are perfectly cut, the next step is shaping them into strong and reliable structures. To create durable farm equipment, precision bending is essential. IGF uses automatic sheet bending machines to shape metal sheets with high accuracy and uniformity. This advanced technology helps create strong edges, perfect angles, and reliable structural support for every product. The automated process ensures faster production, better finishing, and consistent quality across all equipment. From feeders to farm structures, every bend is engineered for strength and long-term durability. And after shaping the materials, the next process adds another level of precision: perfect punching technology. IGF punching machines are built for speed, precision, and efficiency. These machines create perfectly aligned holes and patterns required for assembling modern farm equipment. Accurate punching improves fitting quality, strengthens product structure, and ensures smooth installation during assembly. With automated operation, the process becomes faster, more reliable, and highly consistent. Every detail matters in farm infrastructure, and precision at this stage guarantees durability in the final product. But true innovation happens when all advanced technologies work together as one complete manufacturing system. At IGF, modern manufacturing is the backbone of quality farming infrastructure. Our advanced manufacturing facility combines cutting, bending, punching, and fabrication technologies to create high-performance farm equipment with exceptional precision. Every machine is carefully selected to improve production efficiency, maintain consistent quality, and deliver long-lasting products farmers can trust. Automation reduces errors, saves production time, and allows us to manufacture equipment at a larger scale without compromising standards. From small components to complete farm structures, every product passes through a carefully controlled process designed for durability and performance. Goat farm, the farm shed. A strong farm begins with a strong shed. IGF goat farm sheds are designed to provide safety, ventilation, comfort, and efficient space management for livestock. Built using durable materials and modern structural planning, these sheds support healthier animals and easier farm operations. The design improves airflow, maintains cleanliness, and creates a productive environment for large-scale goat farming. And now, let's look at the powerful specifications behind this modern farm shed. This IGF goat farm shed is engineered for strength, space, and smart functionality. The total width of the shed is 60 feet, providing a spacious layout for organized farm operations. With a height of 16 feet, the structure ensures excellent ventilation and better temperature control inside the farm. The inner width of 30 feet creates comfortable movement space for animals, workers, and equipment management. Every dimension is carefully planned to improve efficiency, maintain hygiene, and support large-scale farming needs. The strong structural framework ensures long-term durability even in demanding farming conditions. Because modern goat farming is not just about shelter, it's about creating an environment where animals stay healthy, operations run smoothly, and farmers achieve better productivity. And with IGF, that future becomes possible. So if you're ready to build a smarter, stronger, and more profitable goat farm, IGF is here to help. Call now for orders and inquiries. DM us today for complete details and customized farming solutions. Whether you're starting a new farm or upgrading an existing one, IGF provides the technology, infrastructure, and support you need. And if you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe for more modern farming solutions from IGF. IGF, building the future of smart farming.